What's been unique about the relationship at HammerHead and Nexstar is it's not about us selling a widget, it's how do we grow each of their businesses in the manner and the time that each of them need. Every business is different, every business is built differently, so we listen first, voice of the customer, and we offer products and solutions that can help enhance the business they offer to their customers so it can grow both short and long term. We do it through innovative products, education, and innovative marketing that can really bring things to the public awareness that Nexstar members weren't able to do in the past. I think it's because we become a part of their team. We're being positive because we're just not another manufacturer, we're a part of their team, and actively when they're looking to grow their business, we're helping their team grow and develop through education, like I said before, but at the same time, listening to their needs and their customers as their customers are asking for more innovation and more diverse options when it comes to the rehab and replacement of sewer pipe. When a sewer breaks down and a homeowner doesn't have a sewer operating, we're taking phone calls or we're going to a job site in the middle of the night. So we're there in the middle of the night when product doesn't work correctly or they have a problem they didn't foresee. We're there either on the phone, in person, helping them actively solve the problem so their customer feels that Nexstar experience in the right way, which is a positive outcome. It's educating the next generation of Nexstar members. We're seeing a huge turnover within the plumbing industry specifically, and to see us being able to generate excitement in the learning aspect of the trades is an incredible opportunity. And with Nexstar, it's fun to watch their new members that join learn some of the trades that are going to really take our plumbing industry to the next generation and beyond. You know, the Bonfe group has been an amazing partnership with HammerHead out of Minnesota. They're always challenging us to get better, to challenge us with new products. What can we do to really better serve them? And we're thinking outside the box with Bonfe when it comes to our liners, when it comes to our resin systems, and how they perform in the market, specifically where they're based in Minnesota. And I can't say enough about the Bonfe group. We're one phone call away. We're just like them. We're here to answer their calls. Partnership's about communication, and communication has to be open and honest. And that's what we believe with each of our Nexstar partners we do. You can connect with us on our website, which is HammerHeadTrenchless.com, or you can go to the Nexstar portal and the CRM itself, and you can reach out and find my name, Jeff Urbanski, and you can reach out to me at my phone number and night site.